Welcome to Nina's Thai Kitchen. Today's recipe is Khao Mok Gai or Thai Chicken Biryani. Actually, this recipe belongs to my friend Sarah Marie, who I invite her to join us. Hi Sarah.
Hi Nina, thank you for having me today.
Would you mind telling us about Khao Mok Gai recipe?
This recipe mostly they prepare and eaten by Thai Muslim in Southern Thailand, where I'm coming from, and I'm growing up eating this a lot.
I myself have tried this recipe so many times and I loved it. And I can guarantee that it is very delicious. Shall we start?
Let's get started.
First, we're going to start with marinade sauce for chicken, mixing all dry ingredients together, and then add yogurt and milk. Step 1. Marinate chicken. We use 1.5 pounds chicken thigh, poke with fork, both sides. Marinate and massage it to make sure that the marinade get into chicken, and refrigerate it for at least 3 hours. Step 2. Fry shallots. At medium heat, add 1/3 cup cooking oil, couple pinches of salt to help shallot get crispy, and 1 cup of shallots. When shallots turn yellow, reduce to low heat and set it aside. Step 3. Brown chicken. We're gonna keep it at low heat and use the leftover oil from frying shallot. Remove extra marinade from chicken and fry chicken for 2 minutes on each side. Step 4. Prepare rice to cook. At low heat, use leftover oil from frying chicken. Add butter, rinse rice, half of fried shallots, and remaining marinade. Stir to mix it all together. And I have 2.5 cups of water, which I have saffron in there to get the color out better. Bring to boil for 1 minute and then turn off the stove. Method 1. Cook with rice cooker. This way is very easy. Place fried chicken in rice cooker, then transfer rice which we prepared into rice cooker and select normal setting. It's done! Rice and chicken are cooked. Yummy! Method 2. No rice cooker? No problem. We're going to continue cooking with a pan. Follow step 1 through 4 up to bring to boil and reduce to low heat, but still bubbling. Cook it for 5 minutes. After cooking rice for 5 minutes, we're going to stir the rice. At this time, rice is still moist. Place fried chicken over rice and reduce to lowest heat and simmer it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes simmering, we're going to rotate rice bottom up to make sure that the bottom come up and the top go down, because the sauce is at the bottom. This way to ensure that your rice have all the spices and the top part is also cooked. After it's done, we're going to simmer it another 10 minutes. It's done! Yum yum! Let's make magic mint sauce. Mix sugar, salt, vinegar, and microwave it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, stir until it's dissolved and let it cool down. Now we're going to blend everything together, starting from mint, cilantro, and jalapeno. I use 1 jalapeno and 1 Thai chili because I like a little spice, a little kick, and garlic, and of course the sauce. I'm going to blend it by the magic bullet until it's mixed together. It's done. This magic mint sauce is very simple, but offering a good combination of sweet, sour, salty, spicy, and refreshing mint flavor. And it's great with this dish. You will love it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.